Okay, right now we'll be changing the seal, the door seal on this right rear door. As you can see, it's all torn here. I don't know how that happened. We're gonna install another used good seal on this car. Also gonna lube up the window mechanism here. Carefully use this tool and pop all these clips out. All of these go right around here. Now it's all loose. Now I just have to undo this door stop. Very stuck. I sprayed WD-40 inside that pan. I added some silicone paste underneath to protect from rust. There's a little bit of a rust spot right here. Nothing crazy, nothing huge, but to protect it further I just put silicone paste here. It's not gonna damage the rubber and it's gonna keep it protected from rust. I've been trying to hammer this thing out for the last hour. It's not coming out. Finally, guys, probably after another hour of me playing with this thing, I was able to pop this thing loose from its spot. That took forever, honestly, in order to start installing this seal, so there was no other way back. Well, still, this one's in better condition than the old one, so I'm gonna install spraying the lubricant in here and pushing the seal on. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be installing this door panel back on. This is the wood trim that goes here. It had a bunch of like glue residue and I cleaned that up. As you can see, it's missing these tabs, but I found them over there. These tabs are important. Need to reinstall them. And then before I installed the door panel back, I went to put some, usually I use the silicone grease, or not grease, silicone sealant actually, to reattach these films. But right now I'm going to use some kind of like RTV, just a light coat in spots where it's not adhering, just so it's staying in place pretty well. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this RTV in a few places here, just so it adheres better. So, a little bit right there. Like I said, I used to, I always usually use the silicone sealant. So unfortunately these are broken, like the inner parts, so mine just need to install it as is, without these tabs. But these tabs help it, like, you know, stay in place better. Also organizing the trunk right now, putting all the parts and fluids in one box, making it nice. Cleaning the trunk right now, and notice this battery is not installed properly, it's loose, so I'm gonna fix that and install this cable all the way as well, so I'm not gonna need to remove that anymore.